I need to reset the kitchen and get some of the dishes put away. But before I do that, I really need to move the load of laundry from the washer to the dryer. But there's stuff in the dryer, so I gotta heat that back up. De-wrinkle that, then I gotta take that out, put that in the bedroom. I don't feel like doing laundry. And then move that over to the dryer. But while that's happening, I could go ahead and reset the kitchen and the living room. And then from there, I really need to take down the stuff out the front door, the Halloween stuff. And do I really feel like climbing up in the attic to put it up? Not really, but it is November. So I need to do that. But then my eyes are killing me. So my contacts are foggy. So I need to soak those, but that's an 8-hour process. So that means I start that at 6 p.m. since I'm getting up at 2 a.m. to be at the place I need to be at 4 a.m. But I got to get Andy at 4:30. So then I can feed everybody by 5:30. And then I could go ahead and pack my stuff so I'll have food for tomorrow to bring with me on the road. Then I need to get my outfit together, put that in the bathroom so I don't wake Bo up in the morning. Oh. Oh, and I'm so tired though. I really just want to take a nap. Oh, I really should get a Peloton ride into.